Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be talking about how to get rid of nasty fruit flies. I'm guessing you clicked on this video because you've also been having trouble with them too. If you like this video, please be sure to give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you're new here. Thank you guys, let's get right to the video. Now if you're like me, you may be saying to yourself, where did all these fruit flies come from? Because everything's clean and there's no rotting produce. Let me tell you a little bit about what I've learned after I've done research on all these pesky fruit flies. Fruit flies can come in on all kinds of produce that you get from the grocery store, as well as breads and sweets, things that they like to eat on, and even if they're not yet decaying, it could have been a fruit fly that laid eggs on any of that produce. I know it's nasty, but fruit flies can lay up to 500 eggs. Therefore, whenever you have a fruit fly problem, it goes from 0 to 100 quite literally, very fast. Let me teach you and show you how to get rid of them as quick as they come.
The first thing I like to do is make sure my countertops are clean. I use vinegar in a spray bottle and I spray it directly on my countertops and wipe it down. I make sure to move everything off of my counters when I'm doing this so no crumbs or food leftovers would be left behind for the fruit flies to feed on. Next, I like to make sure that my sink and drains are clean. I do this by using a baking soda and vinegar mixture. I sprinkle the baking soda on my sink and then pour the vinegar down the drain and let it sit for at least 15 minutes before I let some hot water go down the drain behind it. This will kill any fruit flies or fruit fly larvae that's down in the drain that I can't get to. Lastly, and the best way to eradicate the fruit flies is by making a simple homemade trap. You only need a glass dish soap, and apple cider vinegar. You pour a tiny amount of dish soap in the dish and then fill the rest with apple cider vinegar. It really doesn't take much of the solution for the fruit flies to be attracted. The fruit flies smell the sweetness of the apple cider vinegar, but are trapped and drowned by the dish soap and acidic properties in the vinegar. As soon as I put the solution on my countertop, they immediately began landing on the edge of the dish and cautiously entering the solution. By the next day, there were a ton of fruit flies at the bottom of the dish. I did this for a few days, changing out the solution to completely get rid of my fruit fly problem. Here's a picture of a bunch of fruit flies that are now gone from my kitchen. In this solution, it appears a little foggy from the dish soap, but take a look at all of those fruit flies. I really hope this video was helpful for you. Please feel free to leave a comment down below about how it worked for you.
If you like this video, please be sure to give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button if you want to see any of my new content. Thank you guys and have a great day.